If you want to learn how to make this simple but gorgeous apron kimono, please watch till the end. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Splendor of the Splendor Glam, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an apron kimono or a cape top. Now I folded my material on my table and we'll go straight into the tutorial. Please guys, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends to come learn one or two things, and kindly turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please note that the two measurements required for a cape top is the length of your cape top and your shoulder measurement. For me, I'll be using 41 inches, and then I'll be adding additional 2 inches for my hemming. So this is me marking it, and I'll just extend my tape to the front and mark it as well. So after doing that, I'll also take my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 will give me 8. Then I'll just deduct ½ inch, making it 7.5. So I'll just mark 7.5 down to the length of my kimono, and then use my ruler to trace it down. After tracing it down, the next thing I'll do is to cut out the excess fabric as shown in the video. So this is me cutting out my excess fabric. I'll cut out the length first, and then after cutting out the length, I'll cut out the excess fabric. Please do well to like our videos, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. I'm so excited making this video, I don't know why. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out my neck. For the depth of the neck, I'll measure 4 inches, and then the width I'll measure 4.5 inches. This is for the front. So after marking it, I'll just trace it. So after tracing the front, the next thing I'll do is to pull out the second fabric inside. Don't forget that I folded my front and my back in one, since the measurement for the back and the front is the same. So now I'll just set aside the front panel, and then I'll be marking the neck on the second panel. The width of the neck is the same thing, 4.5 inches. So I'm just marking it there. And then the depth for the back is, I'll be using 1.5. It depends on how you want your neck to be, so just do what works for you. For me, I'll be going by 1.5 and 4.5 inches. So after marking it, I'll just trace it to get a smooth line, and then I'll use my scissors to cut out my neck on the back and then the front, as you can see. Beautiful. So after cutting the neck, the next thing I'll be doing is to cut out my side hem and then my belt. So I'll be using another fabric. This fabric is so beautiful. I'll be using it as my side hem, and then I'll be using it as my band. So for this tutorial, I'll be using 3 inches. So I'll cut 3 inches width. Then the length will be the length of my kimono. I'll cut this in 4 places. So guys, just watch. So this is the second one. I've cut it before, I'll cut it again. Then I'll cut the other one into 2, making them 4, as you can see right now. So this is 4 places for the side hem. So after cutting the side hem, I'll also go ahead to cut out my band. For my band, I'll be using 19 inches length. You can make it shorter or longer, it depends on what you want. And then the width as well will be 3 inches. So I haven't done that. I'll just cut the facing for my neck. I'll cut it for the front neck and the back neck. So after doing that, I just went to my machine and then I joined my facing together. Don't mind the facing, I used pieces from my fabric to do my facing. As you can see, I'm just opening it up for you guys to see. This is the facing and then this is the back, looking so neat. Then I'll do a top stitch at the back so that it will lap very well. This is for the front. I've done the stitching, very neat. I'll just cut out the thread, and then the next thing I'll do is to also do a top stitch on the front. But before I do that, I'll notch the neck so that, because of the circle, so you don't have it, you know, popping up, you need a neck that is well laid. So you have to notch the neck so it can be well laid after top stitching the neck. So this is what it looks like. I'll just go to my machine now and top stitch the neck. So guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing after top stitching is to join my shoulder together. Now just watch how I'm going to fold in the shoulder of the front into the back, so that by the time I sew it, you won't see these rough edges outside. Everything will be neatly sewed inside. So this is it, guys. See how neatly the shoulder is. So I just sewed in the front shoulder into the back, and this is the outcome. So you can see, look at the front. I'll just open this up. As you can see, folded inside, you won't see the rough edge. And then this is my top stitching, very neat. So guys, the next thing I'll do is to, you know, turn out the good side of my band outside. I already sewed it with my machine, so I'll just pick a sharp object. For me, I use the pen, so I'll just use the pen to bring out the good side out. So make sure the sharp edge at one side of your band is out, like so, as you can see. So I'll just do this for the 4 of them. And then attaching your waistband on your cape top, you just measure 15 inches down. For me, I use 15 inches on this dress, and then you place it on that 15 inches and then use the side hem to place it right side facing right, and then you stitch it, then turn it the other side and do the same. So I'll just do it with my machine so you guys can see. This is already looking very beautiful. So now I have sewn the band, and then I also stitched the facing I did for my neck, so everything can just look really neat. So you can do yours like this or however you want it to be. So I also joined my band. As you can see, I'll just retake the measurement so you can see that it is actually 15 inches. So this is it, guys. After doing this, I'll just go and place my side hem like I illustrated earlier. I'll use my machine to do that so you guys can see. So guys, this is the outcome of my kimono dress. I just want to make something different on this to give it a different look. So I'll be putting a breast pocket in my own cape Stop. I'm so excited already about this. So this is it. So beautiful. I had to iron it very well. I am sure you're loving the dress already. My god. I'm so gonna rock this. Can you see the stitching? I folded everything, even the hemming, so straight and neat and beautiful. So guys, if you haven't loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Please turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.